Hey guys, what's good? It's how to how to EDC here. Coming at you with my first my first big video, my first long form video since I got out of prison. Uh, it's been a while. I hope there's still some OGs watching. I appreciate you guys. Um, it's been it's been crazy, right? It's been crazy, but we're back, and I ain't playing around this time. I ain't playing around this time. I'm tired of all the bullshit I see, um, with like all these other like knife guys, and so like I just want to be out here like being real and like showing you guys what the good shit is, and like we're starting off with this knife here. This is an Ozark Trail knife. It came in like a survival package of stuff at Walmart. It also came with this knife here, which I don't know, not really my style or whatever, but I guess it's pretty cool, right? We'll talk about this one later, um, I guess. But this knife, really really cool. It's a badass knife. Look at that, really really dope. Just fucking sweet. It doesn't get any better than this. When I was in prison, like all my shit got jacked. Excuse me. Like just had a little cough. All my shit got jacked, and so I'm like rebuilding my knife collection, right? And like this is one of my first things, and like you can see why. Like this is pretty good. Um, there's a lot of other things that I'd like to see on this, but like, this is pretty good. This is a pretty good knife. Um, we got one of these pointy blades. That's pretty good for like stabbing and shanking and stuff. We've got the serrations, which is really cool. Really cool. I like how yeah, those feel pretty sharp. So right off the bat there, we got the serrated blade, which I like. Um, the handle looks really really dope. We got a glass breaker. We got a little strap cutter here, belt clip, of course. Um, um, it's one of these locks right here. Um, good jump out on that blade when you hit that flipper tab. Um, it's a cool knife. This is a good spot to start my collection going again. Um, I think this is like about perfect EDC type of knife. This is about what you want. I hear these other guys out here talking about like Civivis and shit, and like I got this for $20, and it came with a whole ass like survival bag. It came with two knives, and there's like other stuff in the bag, like matches and shit, and like stuff like that. Why would I ever go and like spend $40 on a Civivi when I can get all that for 20? And like this knife here's got so much more functionality, so many more features. You have the serrations, you have the glass breaker and the seatbelt cutter and all that stuff. And it's just it's just a good it's just a good knife. This is what these guys should be looking for. Um, this is, not as crazy as like um, some knives I would like, but I do like that it's all black. Um, that's pretty cool. That's my go-to. You guys know me. I guess we can look at this other knife real quick. Maybe we'll do a different video on this one, but it's got like a bottle opener, two bottle openers, I guess. Um, there's a knife blade right there. Some scissors, I guess. This is more like a girl's knife. Like you can give this to your bitch or whatever. Um, yeah, like this right here. This is more like a man's knife. This is like a fighting knife right here. Yeah, look at that. Uh-huh. Flip it around. We have to start working on my knife skills again. Like I kind of out of practice in prison. I'll tell you guys, like I'm glad I'm back, and I'm not messing around this time. Uh, all these other soy boy fucking YouTubers are like, I don't know, like just like cutting boxes and shit all day. Like I've had to hear with them. You know, when I was in prison, like I saw some shit. Like I saw some real shit, guys. It was a woman's prison um, that I spent most of the time, and I got sent there after a couple of hours in the dude's prison. Just you know, they couldn't handle me in there, so they sent me over to the ladies' prison. I'll tell you what, um, the ladies in Guatemala are they're really bad, guys. They're I'll tell you what, I learned things, you know, and now that I'm back on the outside, you know, I gotta keep my skills up. Yeah. So this is a pretty dope knife. Um, definitely something you should go pick up, and like the bag of shit is cool too, you know. Um, but yeah, this is pretty dope. This is pretty freaking dope. Go ahead and go get you one. Pretty cool. Anyways, that's gonna be it for my first video back, guys. Uh, yeah, let me know what you think, and you know, like I'll see you around. Stay strong, stay tactical.